Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your phone settings and navigating directly to languages and input. Once there, tap on-screen keyboard and pick the keyboard you use. You do this because Autocorrect lives inside your keyboard app. Now open text correction or personal dictionary. This is where you control suggestions and training. Make sure to act on the visible options right away. That first change will affect every app where you type. Don't pause, move to the next section to adjust behavior. Once in text correction, toggle autocorrection depending on whether you want automatic fixes or manual control. You should add frequent names, abbreviations, or slang to your personal dictionary so the keyboard stops changing them. Also tweak suggestions, auto-capitalization, and punctuation. These controls change how aggressive corrections are. If your keyboard offers sensitivity or aggressive suggestions, reduce it to prevent wrong replacements. Make small changes, then test. Now you test. Open a messaging app and type words you commonly mistype to verify corrections. If the keyboard still autocorrects wrong entries, go back and clear learned words or reset the keyboard's typing data in advanced settings. This removes old training. Make sure to restart the keyboard or the device if new settings don't take effect. If things still go wrong, update or reinstall the keyboard app. Switching temporarily to another keyboard tells you whether the issue is app-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.